Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M3, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings. From here you want to go to, I believe, about phone, and then choose factory reset, and at the bottom you have erase all data, this tiny little button. So once you tap on it, if you have some kind of protection on your device, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I have a pin, so I'll confirm it. And from here we have a message that performing this will remove all the data from the phone. Now we need to wait 10 seconds apparently, because you know, one isn't enough to let us know that this process removes everything. So here's another 10 seconds just so we are absolutely sure what it does. Once that time passes, you can then confirm it by tapping on OK, and the process will now begin. Now this will take about a minute or so, maybe a couple minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.